Can a free browser extension actually save you money? Or is it the thing everyone now calls a scam? Let's find out. This is Misa Reviews. So this is Honey, owned by PayPal. It sits in your browser, and at any checkout, it says it will search for working discount codes and apply the best one. It also pays you points for shopping through it. All free. The flow is as easy as it sounds. Install it, shop as normal, and at the payment page, a little box appears and tries codes one after another. 20 seconds later, it either knocks something off your total or says it found nothing better. And then in 2024, someone worked out what else it did. Honey was accused of not always showing the best code and of swapping the affiliate tag at checkout, so the commission on your purchase went to Honey rather than whoever recommended the product to you. That is why creators started calling it a scam. But here is the part almost nobody read. Those cases have mostly lost. PayPal has won 4 dismissals, and in June 2026, a claim covering 6.8 million people in the UK was thrown out with prejudice because the court found users had received a benefit and could not show a loss. No court has found it defrauded shoppers.
5 out of 10. Free, sometimes finds a code, legally intact. It loses points because it is not the neutral bargain hunter it looks like. It is a marketing channel funded by shops and commission, so best is doing a lot of work in that sentence. Keep it for small purchases you would not otherwise check. For anything expensive, look the code up yourself and check the price history first. If that cleared something up, hit like and subscribe to Misa Reviews, and turn notifications on so the next one finds you. See you in the next review.